My name is Dr. Abdul Haque Chang. I am Assistant Professor of Anthropology in the School of Economics and Social Sciences in IBA Karachi, or it's called Institute of Business Administration Karachi. And today my lecture was on the relationship of health and environment, understanding through the history or the geography, development geography. So in today's lecture I try to emphasize that the relationship between environment and health is not simply in terms of sickness or just physical environment, but there are also a lot of other factors which needs to be considered for the students who are writing a thesis or doing research or policymakers. So all these factors collectively define these both relationships, and I am very happy to see the enthusiasm between the students and teachers, and also we are hoping in the future there will be MOU or Memorandum of Understanding between IBA and Sebelas Maret University, and the students and teachers from both universities can visit each other's country and get benefit from this. And I hope through the exchange of information in the student, both universities and students can have the better knowledge in terms of the society, and they can understand comparatively themes of the development in both countries in better way. So hopefully as the time goes, and especially the conference going on in October will be very important, where some of the professors from IBA Karachi will come here, and we will have more detailed conversation with the rectors and deans, and we hope for the positive change between the Indonesian people and Pakistani people and academicians and the students. Thank you very much.